seems to me that if we can put some of these messages subliminally into the action, so that you see somebody recycling, you see somebody turning off, pulling out their plugs. It's about seeing and doing and creating that performance structure so that people say, I should be doing that.
That climate change is a symptom of a deeper problem, and our approach was, look, if you're not going to cure the patient, you don't diagnose them correctly, because the patient really is a human psyche, and exactly why it's so hard to ingest the information that 11th Hour has is that we've created an immune response against the medicine.
Be careful of not trying to say, oh, there was one green meeting in 2005, we don't need any more, and not making each green a media venture or